Nalubabo kabalin kung sa kayo po, my name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank JangSung Special Mani for sending us their products and for us to try on. As simple as this food, no? Sometimes yung mga simpleng pagkain, yun pa yung talagang nag-enjoy tayo. Because most of the time when we eat, when we munch this or when we eat this, ito yung time na probably you're studying a lesson or trying to learn something in front of your computer, or minsan naman, you know, you get to chill in the couch with your kids, with your family and watching a movie, and at the same time munching this mga special mani natin. Well, to tell you guys, si Luis, hindi ko pa na-vlog, hindi ko pa na-video na katulad nito. Talagang sobrang gustong-gusto na niyang buksan ang isa sa mga packs natin for today. But anyway, so yeah, he was able to, you know, taste it and he's actually enjoying it. So let me introduce yung mga flavors nila. So they do have two variants for all of the flavors. They have the spicy and then the non-spicy. This one right here is the sour cream. Wow! This is the spicy cheese naman. So I guess my wife's gonna love this because it's cheese flavor. Ito naman yung plain and non-spicy. So this is the traditional. Now this one is the sour cream non-spicy. They also have this barbecue. And then meron tayong mixed nuts. Alright, so this is non-spicy mixed nuts. I think ito yung parang talagang gustong kainin ni Luis, which is my son, no? This one right here is the plain spicy. This is the plain spicy. We also have the non-spicy barbecue. This is the non-spicy cheese. And then lastly, mixed nut spicy. Okay, so if you're to ask me, I think I'm gonna be interested to try yung kanilang. This one is the sour cream. Okay, let's taste it. Actually, in all honesty guys, yung mga iba dito, as in binuksan ko na while I'm, you know, editing or doing some work dito sa bahay, kumukuha na ako nito. But this is gonna be my first time to try yung kanilang sour cream spicy. Oh wow! Sour cream spicy. Masarap. No wonder my son's really favorite. Next, I want to try itong kanilang cheese spicy. I remember isang commercial ni Fernando Po Jr. Ang order niya is Highland legumes. And then turn out, isang platitong mani lang pala. Oh yeah. You know what? I think it really starts with their pinaka base, which is the mani. It has really high quality taste. The sizes are, I mean, above the average. I think these are huge, no? Plus add-ons yung mga special flavors nila. So I gotta, you know, tell you honestly, I'm really impressed with the first two that I tasted so far. Barbecue. Let's try the barbecue. Alright, so as plain as simple as I mentioned at the start of my vlog, yung mga simpleng pagkain na ganito, yun pa yung unexpected din na nakakapag-bond sa atin while we are watching a TV or doing something with the family, or even your personal time like studying or reading or watching a movie personally. I think ito yung mga magiging companion niyo dyan. So if you're interested to know more about this or taste this JangSung Special Mani, make sure to check out their fan page. It's flashing on your screens right now. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and God bless us all. Peace. Bye-bye.